Guys, look. I think I just found like a baby heron. Or something like that. Here, I'll walk towards it a little bit. So y'all can see it a little bit better. I might be wrong. Look at it, yeah. Like, there aren't many birds where I live that look like that. I should hope the mama doesn't fly down here and attack me, because I saw the mama a little up the creek. But yeah, look at that. Hi, buddy. Look at him fly. Look at it go. The mama's up there somewhere. Here's the baby. Hey guys, remember to like, subscribe, all that. And I'll try and find more videos or I'll try and find more birds if y'all want me. If that does good, if finding birds does good, I will keep doing that. If y'all enjoy that, so like, subscribe, comment, yeah, and tell me what kind of bird that is. I got a really close up of it, so if you know what it is, let me know.